Happy New All-Time High, guys. We finally reached break the 108 and now we're reaching 111 and we're gonna go up and up and up and up. The only good thing that Bitcoin know how to do best is just go up in time always. Yeah, let me check now the chart a little bit just to have a little bit upgrade since last time. We were just checking that maybe in the daily it will be either consolidate or fall to 90 potentially or to this line, no? But we also thought that if it doesn't do that, the potential will be to go up, and in any case, any retracement, it will be around this yellow line, which is a calculation of the price pretty much. It will retrace to the 97, it's now more or less 96. Which is completely fine. I mean, now the chart is just looking great, and we're just breaking. What could be happening right now, because we don't see a lot of volume or a lot of excitement at the moment. It's going a little bit slow. Plus, you can see also the other side is a little bit overbought already. We could see something like this, which is typical. You see it always on Bitcoin after breaking an all-time high. We could just draw all of it here. I don't know, it could be 115, 113, 11, even, I don't know, 120. 120 would be too much, but something like here, and then coming back to test this, the all-time high we had before, and then from there going up. That could be into the possibility in the daily chart. As you see, we are already a little bit overbought, so just be careful if you're gonna if you want to play a little bit around, and just always put some stop loss and take care of the trades that you do it, no? But always be careful. If you want to get some spot, I mean, I would recommend you to wait a little bit from now. It's too a little bit late. You should just buy here when we went to 77 and no sell there. I hope none of you sold there, because that's it's not the best idea ever for Bitcoin to sell it when it's heading down. It makes really no sense. You just need to have patience, and you're always gonna get granted a compensate for that. And the weekly just look beautiful, just beautiful. Let's see, sorry for that. Now, let me talk about something, because this a little bit funny, but I mean, I don't know until which one is funny, but also it's true somehow. The time frame has been saying, I don't really think that's gonna happen, but according to Fred Krueger, Bitcoin is in the final round to 600,000, which is it will happen just in weeks and months. No, Bitcoin started at 150. First, we need to reach that point, and then we will see it, and ending at 600. Final goal will go to 10,000, and the XY will collapse 96 to 68. Okay. How that's gonna happen? That's the interesting thing, no? So, yeah, like you can see, like every week, Bitcoin will be jumping from 150 to 180 to 250 and go to 508. I mean, Germany gonna be announcing that 10% of gold reserve backing for the EU royalties and blah blah blah. You see Bitcoin just gonna, I mean, this gonna happen at some point. This time, I don't really think so. So fast, no either. I mean, first we need to see more adoption in the countries of Bitcoin, and then yeah, we're gonna see a rise just to the way up, even to 1 million. It will happen that this cycle. I don't really think so. We don't have for that. It's gonna be a super cycle, like everybody say. A little bit difficult right now, because you don't have this demand of governments like everybody is expecting. Do you have something really interesting? Let me show you here. which is the United States, have been pushing and pushing and pushing. And I think once they push harder enough and finally made the law pass, and then they have Bitcoin as a treasury asset, then it's really potential we can have um, this run without stop, and then we will see the prices just going up as we never did before. Let me really tease a little bit. Just news. What did say the Texas House has passed a bill to create a state-run Bitcoin reserve. The bill now awaits a final vote before heading to the government desk. If signed into law, Texas will become the first U.S. state to hold Bitcoin as treasury asset. That's gonna happen, guys. It will happen. Either it's first Texas or another state from the USA. We don't know yet, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen at the end of this bull run. It could be. It could be. It's gonna happen tomorrow. Also, there is a possibility as well. So just keep an eye on it. And in the meantime, I would just recommend you to just stack as much sats or Bitcoin as your pocket can, and you will get rewarded every single month, every single year. Just think about years, and you will get always rewarded. It's insane how Bitcoin always get dead, and all social media always take the opportunity to from the people to get involved into Bitcoin and unfuck their future. And Bitcoin doesn't care. It just go up. And never do this mistake. Don't sell too early. Look, like this huge mistake. German government out on 2.3 billion profit after selling Bitcoin at 57k. Can you believe it? So even if you sell it at 77 in the last time Bitcoin have this retracement, you did even better than Germany. Even better than Germany. It's insane. That is really unbelievable how they can do something like this. I mean, who did that should be already fired. Bitcoin fell into that price. It's a little bit difficult. Probably we will see Bitcoin fell into 60, 70,000 depending on far we go to this bull market. But man, oh god, the only way that you can forgive yourself doing such a big mistake is buying Bitcoin again. Buying Bitcoin again, and then you will be again rewarded for the stupidness you just did. And exactly like CC say, no, he felt so sorry. I also do for all those who saw at 77. You just need to check the big picture. For that, I was saying in the last video. Just check if you want yearly chart, but that will go much farther. But you can simplify and see it in monthly chart or weekly chart, and then you will get a better picture of how the market is going. You know? And now just to end it up a little bit. Like you see, I mean, there's going to be a lot of numbers like this now. They say, don't take screenshot, take profit. There you have. Simple. So, yeah, just comment below what you think, where we're going to go to this bull market, how much we're going to reach, and subscribe, comment, and yeah, and soon I will be updating more deeply trades. Now was just an emergency video, and I hope you enjoy the run. See you next time.